What if a legendary off-road bike returns stronger, tougher, and more exciting than ever? Imagine the thrill of riding a machine that combines classic dirt bike spirit with modern performance. The 2026 Yamaha DT 180 is making waves among bike lovers again, and many riders believe this could be one of the most exciting lightweight dual sport bikes of the year. The 2026 Yamaha DT 180 continues the legacy of the famous DT series that riders have loved for decades. Built for both rough trails and everyday riding, this bike is designed to deliver a perfect balance of power, simplicity, and durability. Yamaha's goal is simple: create a bike that feels fun on dirt roads but still comfortable on city streets. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT 180 is a 180cc single-cylinder engine designed for quick throttle response and strong low-end torque. This engine produces around 17 horsepower and approximately 16 Nm of torque, giving riders enough power to handle steep hills, rocky trails, and daily commuting. The lightweight body makes acceleration smooth and quick. Riders can expect a top speed close to 115 kilometers per hour, around 71 miles per hour, which is impressive for a bike in this class. Because of its simple engine design, maintenance is also easier compared to larger adventure bikes. Design and off-road capability. The 2026 Yamaha DT 180 keeps its classic dirt bike DNA. It features a high front fender, long travel suspension, and strong spoked wheels that are perfect for rough terrain. The upright riding position provides better control when riding through sand, mud, or mountain trails. Its lightweight frame allows riders to move easily and maintain balance on difficult paths. This makes the bike a great choice for beginners who want to learn off-road riding and experienced riders who enjoy exploring new trails. Fuel economy and price. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of this bike. The 2026 Yamaha DT 180 is expected to deliver around 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, about 82 to 94 mpgs, depending on riding conditions. In the United States market, the expected price could be around $3,800 to $4,200, making it an affordable dual sport motorcycle compared to many larger adventure bikes. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha DT 180 is perfect for riders who want a lightweight, reliable, and fun motorcycle. Whether you enjoy weekend trail rides or need a practical bike for daily commuting, this machine offers both adventure and efficiency in one package. This video is based on early information, rumors, and expected specifications about the 2026 Yamaha DT 180. Final design, features, specifications, and price may change when the motorcycle is officially released by Yamaha Motor Company. Always check official announcements for confirmed details.